Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. In this video I'll show to you guys how we can make our taskbar on Windows 11 completely transparent. Unfortunately, Windows 11 doesn't have a settings where we can make directly our taskbar transparent, but there is a software that we can download from Microsoft Store. So let's open now Microsoft Store, and once you have opened Microsoft Store, you have to search here translucentTB. This is the app that we need. We just click over it once and then you click over installed. Once this app is downloaded in your computer, you just have to click over open. And as you can see, my taskbar now is transparent. In case that you want to go in more deep in the configuration file, you can click over edit the configuration file. And once you are done, you just click over continue. And that's all that you have to do to make your taskbar transparent. If you don't like this, you just have to go over settings and you uninstall this app from your computer, and then your computer will go back to the same configuration of taskbar that you had before. Once we have open settings, we need to go over apps, and then we click over apps and features. Here you search for the app that we just installed, which is translucentTB. We click over here and we uninstall it. So basically that's all that you have to do in order to make your taskbar transparent on Windows 11. I hope that you liked this video. Thanks for watching and please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.